Welcome back. In last lecture we have seen how to install Ubuntu on DigitalOcean droplets. In this video we are going to talk about Linode, which also have pricing identical to DigitalOcean. Linode with 1 GB of RAM will cost you $5 per month. So let's get inside the Linode. Click on login. And obviously if you don't have account with Linode, just create one. And if you have any Linode running, you will find this Linode running. As of now I have one Linode running. If you don't have, you won't find any running Linode. Click on add a Linode. 1 GB Linode is at the end of this page. So select this and select your location. As I said, select location which is nearest to your customers, and after that click add this Linode. Now this Linode, as you could see, this Linode is being created. Click on this Linode. Now here you have to deploy an image. It's not automatically deploy image for you like in last lecture we have seen. We did for DigitalOcean. Now here you have to choose image. So look for Ubuntu 14.04. Now this is the maximum disk size you could have. If you want to increase swap disk, you can obviously increase up to 512 MB of RAM. And instead of using SSH key like we did in last lecture with DigitalOcean, we have to use password this time. However, I will show you how you can disable root based login and enable SSH key based login. So let's proceed with it and enter root password. Click deploy. Now wait for a couple of seconds. You could see progress here. Now our image deployment is successful. Let's boot this virtual machine. Click on boot. Okay. Alright, let's get IP address of this Linode. Go back to Linodes, and from here you could see IP address. Copy this. Again open your putty. Paste it here and click open. Yes. Enter your username, which is root, and the password. Alright, so next step is to disable this password based login and enable SSH key based login. So in order to do that, you have to type nano /etc/sshhd_config. I'll attach all the commands used in this video with this lecture. You'll able to find it in downloadable resources. So just scroll down and look for password authentication. Type no. Press Ctrl plus X. After that Y, and then press enter. Now wait, we have just disabled the password based login, but we have not enabled the SSH key based login. So let's do it. To do that, we need to make directory. Just copy these commands from here and paste it. Make directory, and then second one, the third command. Now Here you have to paste your public key. So once again open your PuttyGen, generate the key, copy it, paste it. In Putty, Control plus V will not work, so you have to use the right click of your mouse to paste anything. Now save this public key. Press the Ctrl plus X on your Windows machine. After that press Y and hit enter. Let's save this private key first. I'm going to call it Linode. Save it. Now I'm going to close this putty key generator. Next we got to do is to copy this command, and here you have to change the example group by your username, and in this case our username is root. After that press enter. Next we are going to change the permission of this authorized key file. Alright, we have already did these steps and the password authentication is. Next, in order to reload this modified SSH configuration, we need to restart SSH service. So let's do it and press enter. That's it. Now if we go to Putty and the IP address, and if we simply log in with username root, you will get this message. So we need to present private key. Let's open the Putty once again. The IP address and our key Linode, and after that click open and username root, and we are successfully logged in. So thank you for watching this lecture. In next lecture we will learn to install Ubuntu on Amazon Web Services.